Tech in 2 minutes. I'm Ross Hurley, this is Ian360 and welcome to another episode of Tech in 2 minutes, where I try to explain complicated subjects in the tech industry in a short amount of time. Now, today's subject is on IoT, but before we start, remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications to make sure that you're up to date in all the latest in enterprise technology. Here is my timer, and I believe we're going to start now. If you're in the tech industry, you've probably heard of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and how it's embedded into every part of the industry. That said, the phrase is used very broadly and applied to many different things, so you're probably wondering how it affects you and how it affects the enterprise. IoT is a massive network of connected devices that have sensors that they use to connect data. That data is then sent to some sort of cloud storage where an organization or even government can measure the data from each device. Now, we know that data is vital to making progress in enterprise tech, so how does IoT come into the corporate world? Imagine you're a large-scale enterprise and you want to measure, say, the production flow in your factory. If every single piece of machinery in that production has data, you're getting real-time alerts into the problems, the efficiency, the delays, what's going well and what's going wrong. Everything you need to know about your production line and what parts you need to improve on are given to you just by your devices alone. Similarly, you can use IoT in marketing. A great example of this is the Amazon Echo. Taking in customer data from your product you sell to them is genius, and it helps you to fit in the requirements as you go along because you're taking in their data and leveraging it to your benefit. IoT has been criticized, however, for potentially invading customers' privacy. Actually, IoT devices are more often than not targets for hackers. Furthermore, some people criticize the need to connect everything to the internet and fear it could end up being used for unnecessary surveillance. Either way, IoT is here to stay, so it's best you use it to help leverage your business into the 21st century. Thank you very much. That's my timer again, another 2 minutes. Whew. Remember to check out our website, www.em360tech.com, follow us on Twitter, on LinkedIn, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as always, I'll catch you next time for another episode of Tech in 2 minutes.